Hello and welcome to VR Sketch. In this tutorial we're going to be covering the basics of drawing lines. To do that we're going to be using the line tool, which is this pencil here. With the line tool selected, to start drawing a line you just pull the trigger and a preview of that line will appear. You'll see how this preview line changes color according to the SketchUp axes of blue, green and red, and it snaps to them. So let's draw a 1 meter long horizontal line. There we go. To finish the line I just need to pull the trigger and that completes the line. If I want to cancel the preview I just press down on the touchpad with my thumb and that's cancelled. So now let's draw a 1 meter high vertical line, which is the blue axis. There you go. And now to line up this line with the lower point here, there's two ways to do that. First one, I can highlight it with the other hand and you'll see it'll create these guidelines and I know it's locked exactly to that. So let's do a second line to illustrate the second way. Second way is if you just hover over that point, it will create the guideline for you. So the same as in SketchUp, whenever you complete a triangle or a shape where all the lines are on the same plane, it will create a face like that. There's two other things I want to show you about lines. The first one is, once you've started drawing a line, you can lock it to axes. So let's lock it to the blue axis by taking our second hand and putting it over the line and pulling the trigger. Now it's locked to that axis. What this means is that wherever I move my hand, it will only be in that axis, so I know that it is that exact same height. So let's lock it to the red axis, like that. The other thing I wanted to show you is that I don't have to lock it to only an axis. I can lock it to a plane, which you can see by that little green square. So now it's only going to move on that axis no matter how I move my hands. There we go. Thank you very much for watching.